The 2025 Plymouth Roadrunner marks a bold and unexpected return of one of America's most iconic muscle cars. After decades of absence, the reimagined Roadrunner embraces both heritage and innovation, capturing the rebellious spirit of its 1968 predecessor while aligning with the future of performance and design. This isn't just a nostalgic revival. It's a statement that muscle cars can evolve without losing their soul. At first glance, the 2025 Roadrunner commands attention. The design is unapologetically aggressive, with wide haunches, a low stance, and sharp aerodynamic lines that hint at its powerful capabilities. The front fascia features a modern interpretation of the original's beep-beep personality, including LED headlights integrated into a blacked-out grille with subtle throwback cues. Plymouth has wisely chosen to retain classic design elements, such as the sculpted hood, flared fenders, and optional hood scoop, while blending in modern touches like a full-width rear light bar and active aero components. Under the hood, the 2025 Roadrunner offers a range of powertrains to satisfy both purists and modern drivers. The base model is equipped with a turbocharged inline-six, producing over 400 horsepower, a nod to efficiency and balance. However, the real attention goes to the top-tier Super Commando EV variant, a fully electric performance version delivering over 750 horsepower with instant torque. This model rockets from 0 to 60 in under 3 seconds, making it one of the fastest production muscle cars on the market. For those who still crave the sound and feel of a combustion engine, a naturally aspirated 6.4 4-liter V8 is available in limited numbers, accompanied by a 6-speed manual transmission, a rare and welcome offering in today's market. The interior of the Roadrunner blends retro styling with futuristic functionality. High-quality materials, from brushed aluminum to Alcantara and leather, give the cabin a premium feel. The driver-centric cockpit features a digital gauge cluster that can be customized to display vintage-style readouts or modern performance telemetry. A large central touchscreen houses infotainment and performance settings, yet physical buttons remain for key functions, a conscious design decision to preserve the tactile feedback that driving enthusiasts appreciate. Technology is deeply embedded in the 2025 Roadrunner. Advanced driver assistance systems, over-the-air software updates, customizable driving modes, and adaptive suspension come standard across all trims. The car also features an active exhaust system that can simulate the deep rumble of a V8, even on the EV variant, providing a sensory experience for those who miss the roar of classic muscle. But what truly sets the Roadrunner apart is its philosophy. It doesn't pretend to be something it's not. It acknowledges its heritage, the raw, brash, and fun-loving attitude of the late 60s and early 70s, while recognizing the reality of the modern automotive world. Whether you're chasing speed at the track, cruising on open highways, or simply admiring its sculpted form in a parking lot, the new Roadrunner delivers. The 2025 Plymouth Roadrunner isn't just a car, it's a cultural reset for American performance vehicles. By bridging the gap between gasoline nostalgia and electric innovation, Plymouth has created something rare. A muscle car with soul, built for the future.